So today we are going to see a new topic in light energy. That topic name is called mirror. So what is mirror? The mirror is a smooth polished surface which reflect the light in a regular way is called mirror. How we make a mirror? By we are making one side as a opaque. There are two ways there to make a opaque. First one is called silvering and next one is called by a thin coating of red lead oxide paint. By this way we are making a mirror. There are two type of mirrors. One is called plain mirror. It has a highly polished plain surface, and next one is called curved mirror. It has a highly polished curved surface. And what is image? There are important conditions for image. They need a minimum of two rays to intersect. So the images appeared when the two rays are intersect each other. So when the light rays starting from a point object and after reflection from a mirror meet or appear to meet at a point, then this point is called the image of a given optical point. Okay, so there is an important condition for image. They need a minimum two reflected ray intersect at a single point. Now we go for a types of mirror. There are two type of mirror is called. One is called real image, other one is called virtual image. The important difference is the image is formed when the light rays from an object after reflection they are actually meet at a point. Okay, actually meet. But here after reflection they are appear to meet. This is the important difference between real and virtual image. Here the image can be obtained on a screen. Here we are not able to capture it on a screen. Here the image is inverted. Here the image is erected. This is the main difference between real and virtual image. Next we go for how the image is formed in a plane mirror. Here this is the object. From the object two rays are incident on a reflecting surface. After incident they are reflected back. Here these rays are not meet. So how it is appear to meet? We are extending these lines in a backward direction. It is appear to meet at a point. So in this point we get the image. So here the distance between the mirror and object is equal to the distance between the mirror and image. And the image is also upright. But what is the main difference here? The left is looking like a right and right is looking like a left. This is called lateral inversion. Okay, now we go for characteristics of image. The image formed by the plane mirror is upright or erect. Here the image size is same as the object and the distance between the image and the mirror is equal to the distance between the mirror and the object. So both the distance are same. And here the image is virtual image, so we cannot able to capture it on a screen. And here we have a laterally inverted, that is called left is looking like a right and right is looking like a left. Now we go for some of the uses of plane mirror. What are the uses of plane mirror? The mirror are used as a looking mirror and a dressing mirror, and it is used in a showcase, and it is also used in a solar cooker to reflect the light of the sun rays into the cooker, and it is fitted in an optician room on the wall in front of it so as to the length of the room is little bit extended longer. Okay, then it is mainly used in periscope and kaleidoscope. Okay, these are the important points in the uses of mirror. So after this we are wind up this class. Thank you. So today we are going to see a new topic in light energy.